Hi, and welcome to another video. And in this video, we'll talk about balanced mix, right? Getting the levels right. And so, first of all, very important before you start to make any changes like using EQ or panning things, compression, or adding reverb or delay. First of all, you should balance your mix rather than jumping into all these things. So once your mix is properly balanced, half of your work is already done. So before jumping into any equalization or compression or adding any effects, I'll suggest just to play with the volume faders and balance your mix, like get some evenness, right? If a mix sounds balanced, then all of the musical elements have a relatively even volume level in the mix. So it's normal for some levels to be raised in the mix. If you want to highlight a musical element like a lead guitar, right, your vocals, and amateur mixes often show poor balancing, right, and a poorly balanced mix is a absolute sign that you ain't a pro. So balance your mix properly, and I'll tell you the solution, how you can balance your mix. Learning to balance your mix takes time, right? And an excellent way to train your ear is to listen to the mix balance in your favorite songs, right? Use them as reference. Check out, the levels of different things, right? Like kick, snare, bass, guitar, vocals. And if you are mixing a project, then find a similar sounding professional mix that you can use as a reference. So park your reference mix on the track on your door and refer to it regularly while you're mixing, right? And another tip is to help your level balancing is to monitor your mix at very low volumes, right? While focusing on your mid-range elements, it is very easier to hear when a musical element is dropping down or popping out of the mix at low volume. Listen to your mix at low volumes, and you can easily differentiate between the volumes of your different elements. And if something pops out too much, definitely you know what to do, right? So first of all, the main thing is before starting any equalization or compression or adding effects, simply take as much time as you can and play with the faders, balance your mix. Once you have a good balance in your mix, things will automatically start sounding good. So just play with the volume levels of your elements, and I'm pretty sure once you get that right, half of your work is done and you will get really very good results. Take your time to balance your mix, don't rush into other things, right? And thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, to write down below in the comments. And till then, cheers and take care.